Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create a special birthday story on Instagram. Creating a special birthday story can be helpful sometimes. So let's dive in and follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Instagram stories. And to do that, just go to your Instagram app on your phone and then click on it. After you log in using your account's credentials, swipe right on your home screen to open the stories camera, just like this, and select or capture content. You can choose a photo or a video from your gallery to take a new one. Leave it relevant to the birthday theme. The third step is to add a birthday element. Let's take this picture for example. And to add birthday elements, tap the sticker icon right here and search for birthday. This is the one. Let's search for birthday. Yeah, and these are the emojis suitable for this theme right here, for the birthday themes. Now tap on the sticker icon and search for the birthday like I did, and use the text tool to write a birthday message. You can do that by clicking on the letters right here, and you can write wherever you want. Birthday, change the fonts, etc. For the fourth step, enhance with effects. You can apply filters or use the draw tool for extra creativity. You can apply filters by just swiping left or right, like this one, like this. Or you can draw using the draw tool by clicking on three dots right here and click on draw. And you can draw wherever you want, just choose the color and you can draw wherever you want. The fifth step is the final one, which is to post the story. And to do that, you have to tap your story to share it with everyone or send it directly to the birthday person. Just like this. And click on the arrow in the bottom right corner. And if you want to publish it in your story, you can select the first option. Or if you want to text this by message, you can select this option right here and choose the account you want to send the birthday story to. For additional tips, use music stickers to add a festive song and highlight the story to preserve it on your profile. And that's it. That's how you create a birthday story on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.